This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Mac software. First, open System Settings or System Preferences from your dock, or by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Next, click on General and then select Software Update. Your Mac will then automatically check for any new Mac OS versions or security updates available for your device. This simple step ensures you always have the latest features and protections. Understanding the types of updates is key. You'll encounter major Mac OS updates, which bring substantial new features and often a fresh look to your operating system. Then there are minor updates, which are smaller but vital, offering security fixes and performance improvements. Lastly, don't forget App Store updates, which keep your individual applications, like Safari or Pages, running smoothly and securely. Each type plays an important role in your Mac's health. Before you begin any update, preparation is crucial. Always ensure your Mac is plugged into a power source to prevent interruptions. It's also highly recommended to back up your important files using Time Machine or a cloud service, just in case. Close all open applications to ensure a smooth installation. For major updates, make sure you have at least 25 gigabytes of free storage space available on your hard drive. Once ready, click Update Now or Upgrade Now to start the installation. Your Mac will restart several times during this process, which is completely normal. Please be patient and do not unplug your device. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart often resolves minor glitches. For persistent problems, consult Apple's official support resources. The entire installation can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on the update size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.